I can feel it like.
And then you're gonna pound it.
All that stuff in it. It's got the shallots.
And this is tamarind for sour. And also sugar for the sweet. You can try before you put in the tom yum soup. You can eat like sandwich. There's a coconut milk and that's the cream.
What you put in there?
Lemongrass, galango,
Lemongrass
and
first,
coriander
right?
roots.
Okay.
And also we extra more galango. You taste more galango or taste more card. So now you see the lemongrass change the color, coriander root change the color.
Okay.
Now I cook with the fish sauce, the same. That's one have fish sauce. Add fish sauce first, and then you stir to take out the smell of fish sauce. And then I put the chicken. Chicken only with coconut milk for not stick in the bowl. Put the chicken. When you put chicken in the soup, not stir. Let the chicken cook. Chicken not cook, you stir. Your soup smell more fishy.
Oh, really?
Small chicken not cooked. Chicken in Thai we not cut big, we cut a small stick. And then now, see this one, they also they change the color.
Yeah.
Chicken cook, they change the color. And then I add the kaffir lime leaf and chili. Then I stir. And also this the mushroom. Also I can stir. And you see this one? See? They change the color on here. That you don't need to break too small because the oil they come out from this in this area the oil come out more. Then you have more aroma. Okay. This one chicken cook have aroma from the kaffir lime. And then done, turn off. And also add the lime juice. I need some more lime. This one, tom kha gai. You can smell. Now you also can smell. They're also like a little. You see, that's when you put in the water, they put in the stock, they change the color, mean the oil they come out. And you keep boiling a little bit more. I make it creamy. Now boiling, not look in the pot, look at me. If you look at the pot, they're not boiling. Now boiling.
Yeah, is how it works?
Now, you see, look, they change the color, and then also, I put the shrimp. And also, I put the mushroom, and the fish sauce. If you make the clear one, same kaffir lime leaf and chili, you can stir. When you finish, you take out everything, and then you put the lime juice, and I make it creamy. I add also sour from tamarind. If you need more sour, you can add more lime. And also tom yum chili paste. Keep a stir.
What is this for? This is for tom yum.
Tom yum creamy.
Creamy.
Tom yum kung, tom yum creamy,
Tom yum
the
kung.
same. Keep a stir for the shrimp cook.
You put a lime in after.
No, we have this one after. If you need more sour, you can add lime. It is one sour from tamarind.
You're done right now.
Okay, shrimp cook, turn off, done. Have coconut cream. This one, tom yum creamy. I have to take out lemongrass, galango, kaffir lime leaf, coriander, take out, and then I put the soup in the bowl, 2 bowl. You can go inside, and then we give you the soup. Now, soup เข้าไปก่อน Come in here. Come close to grandma.
Are you really grandma?
Yeah.
How many grandkids?
My son, oh no, this my brother have. This one, the tamarind,
Sugar, right?
sugar, fish sauce, and water.
Yeah.
Thai and foreigner cook like this.
Don't look.
Chinese. You go to Vietnam, you can hear that. Like this. See, shrimp cooked with the pad Thai sauce, the sour, salty, and sweet, and then add the noodle. when you have a noodle, or you give a stir like this. Now, noodle also change the color. And then I have the spatula cover like this for egg.
Is it a chicken egg?
Yolk
Or
egg
duck
and
egg?
chicken egg. A yolk egg and white egg that mix together like this. And you put it behind the spatula or like this. Or, and then you have to move the fork like this. Not the noodle go with egg. Egg not go with noodles. Separate like this. You have pad thai with omelette.
Oh, that's tricky. That's cool. Really?
And then that's egg change the color. We add that's the vegetable. Then
Oh wow.
done.
Wow.
Done. And then chili, roast peanuts, bean sprout, and also lump. You see no color from ketchup. You have to buy for 1 week.
Yeah.
And you put in the towel. You left the mango in the towel.
Okay.
You put some dry chili.
Yeah.
Because in your home it's cold. When the towel is make them warm, the chili make them hot and then become yellow.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, to make them bright. That's what my mom do like that all the time. When my mom pick the mango from the farm and want to sell tomorrow, mango not yellow, my